Sanibonani, igama lami uBandile uMambovu kaNgubane. Sise Northdale today and we're having umemulo wami.
Mina ngumalume wadekhaya siyakhulisa ingane-ke namhlanje ngumzukulu wami.
Ngubane uMakabandile namhlanje besenze umemulo kaBandile simbonga ngokuziphatha kahle kwakhe. Umsebenzi uhambe kahle kakhulu, siyabonga nabasichasile nababe nathi kuze
Ngubaba kaSingaye ngifisa ukudlulisa umyalezo osuke enhlizweni yami ngalomntwana iSingaye namhlanje. Kube ngumntwana oziphathe kahle kakhulu empilweni yakhe yonke. Ingakho simbungaza namhlanje osukwini lakhe olukhulu kangaka. Oyigqugquzela namanye amantombazane asakhulayo ukuthi uma uziphathe kahle abazali bakho bayokhombisa intokozo ngawe, bakwenzela izinto ezinhle. So ngifisa ukubonga kona wonke ade bemgadile umntwana kanye noNkulunkulu osemazulwini ukuthi asigcinele lo mntwana. Siyabonga.
Usingaye from umemulo wanamhlanje. Today was very exhausting. Number one, angikaze ngakwazi ukusina. Bengiqala namhlanje ukusina empilweni yami. So that was quite an experience. And I think just seeing like abazali bami being excited for me and being happy for me for such a milestone really made me happy. And I really do inspire, I wish to inspire abanye abantu ukuthi nabo bazigcine bakwazi nabo khona abazali babo bejabula ngabo.